So good morning students. Today we are going to learn about basic operations of set. In that basic operation of sets, now first we are going to learn about union of set, second one is intersection of set, and the third one is difference of set. Okay, if you know these three, you can score minimum 2 to 5 marks. That's it. Why? Because it is a very basic chapter. Every slow learner also can learn this and get by 2 marks. Okay, now first we are going to learn about union of sets. What? Union of set. Union of set is represented by union symbol, that is U. Okay, in that, for example, for understanding purpose, take one example. So let A equal to one set is there, 4 5 6 7 8, and the B set is there, 7 8 9 10. Now we have to find A union B. Okay, now first learn the question. Let A is the set of 4 5 6 7 8 elements are there. Next, B set also have the elements, that numbers are 7 8 9 10. Just taking these two sets, we have to represent A union B. Okay, how we should find A union B means, see the solution. What is given here? Given that A equal to what? 4 5 6 7 8. What is B here? 7 8 9 10, right? What we should find? A union B we have to find. A union B. First, what is here is there? A means A set we have to write here. 4 5 6 7 8. Next, what is the symbol of union? We are representing like U, so we should represent union symbol. Next, what is here? B set is there. Just write the B set here. 7 8 9 10. After writing the A union B set, now we have to write all the elements of A set and B set. Okay, first we are writing 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10. We are writing what? 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10. Right, this is the union. Union means unity. Okay, next what we have to do means, what are the repeated elements are there? What are the repeated elements are there? We have to write only once. Right, 4 5 6. Here see 7 7, that is repeated 2 times. We have to write only once. 7 8 9 10. Okay, therefore this is called A union B. I hope you understand this concept, what is A union means. First write the unity of elements, then whatever the repeated numbers or whatever the repeated elements are there, we have to write only once. Okay, next topic, the number 2 topic is intersection. Intersection of set, that is represented by this. Okay, so for example, we are taking what? Let A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we are taking what? English vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. And the B set is there, I, O, U, P is there. Okay, the B set has the elements of I, O, U, P. Next, we have to find A intersection B. We have to find out what? A intersection B. Okay, how we are going to find? Let's see. Solution. First, what is the given here? Given that. What is A here? A equal to A, E, I, O, U. What is B set here? I, O, U, P. Okay, I, O, U, P. Okay, this A set is there and the B set is there. Now we have to find out what? A intersection B. A intersection B. First write the A is there, A set, right? A, E, I, O, U. Next, what is the intersection symbol is there now? We should write intersection symbol. Next, which set is there? B set is there. We have to write B set, I, O, U, P. In these two sets, what are the common thing is there? What are the common elements are there? We have to write that only. Okay, here see, I is there, O is there, and U is there. Means I, O, U are the common element in both the set. That's why we can say that A intersection B is I, O, U. Okay, I, O, U. This is the process of finding intersection of sets. Next, we are going to learn about difference of sets. Which set? Difference of set. So for example, we are taking what? Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and the B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A minus B. Okay, this difference of set, it is represented by minus. Okay, now we have how we are going to find out. Let's see. Okay, first given that is what? Given that, what is given that here? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 set is there, right? Next one is which set? B set is there, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next we have to find A minus B. Okay, how we are going to find A minus B? Let's see. So here A is there, so A set we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Next here difference of set is denoted by minus. We have to write here minus. Next, what is B here? What is B here? B set 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after completing, what are the common elements? Just cut it. Okay, this is 3 and this is cut, and this is 4 and this is 4, get cancelled. What are the elements are present in first set that we have to write remaining? Here 1 and 2 elements are present in a first set, that elements we should write. This is called difference of sets between A and B. If for example, if in any question you get B minus A, means that B minus A after subtracting that elements are only 5, 6, we should write only 5, 6. This is the B minus A difference of set. Okay, any examination they will give this type of questions. Just I will give some homework problem, just write in your notes and practice very well, that are very important to your board exams. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Okay, and keep learning.